Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine not spinning or trading. What to do? Are you having trouble that your Bosch washing machine is not spinning or draining? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. 1. Check machine balance. Ensure the washer is sitting evenly on the floor to prevent imbalance during the spin cycle. Adjust the leveling legs until all four rest evenly on the floor using a carpenter's level. 2. Load distribution. Unevenly distributed loads can hinder spinning. Redistribute items evenly in the drum and run a second spin cycle. 3. Clogged drain pump. Clean the filter in the drain pump to remove blockages that may be hindering spinning. If necessary, clean the drain pump itself or seek assistance from a technician. 4. Washer drive belt. Check the drive belt for wear, stretching or damage. Replace it if needed to restore proper spinning functionality. 5. Washer door lock. Ensure the door lock is functioning correctly. If damaged, it may prevent the spin cycle from starting. Bosch washing machine not draining. 1. Pump blockage. Clean the pump by draining off water. Remove the pump cover and clean the interior to allow impeller to rotate freely. 2. Drain hose issues. Check for kinks or blockages in the drain hose. Ensure it is correctly installed without any obstructions. If these steps do not resolve the issue with your Bosch washing machine, it's advised to contact a qualified Bosch engineer for further assistance.